Hi, my name is Susan, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Tivano cutting board before you actually buy it, and whether it's really worth your money or not. And I also have two important alerts, so stick with me till the end of this video. The first thing you need to know about Tivano is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Tivano is only sold on the official website. Due to its popularity, a lot of people are getting fake versions from sketchy sites without realizing it. That can be risky, especially when it comes to products used in food prep, so always double check that you're buying from the official source. To help you out, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Tivano, and does it actually work? The answer is yes, absolutely. Tivano has helped thousands of people who were tired of cutting boards that trap bacteria or leave behind funky smells. After extensive testing and engineering, researchers developed a board made with titanium shield, a revolutionary ultra-durable surface that completely resists bacteria, mold, and stains. Unlike traditional boards that soak in juices or chip over time, Tivano stays clean. It doesn't absorb odors from garlic, fish, or raw meat. It's also 100% free from microplastics, BPA, or toxic chemicals. The non-porous surface makes it super easy to clean. Just a quick rinse or toss it in the dishwasher and it's ready to go. It dries fast, won't warp, and won't wear down over time. Even better, it's knife-friendly. Your blades won't dull like they would on glass or cheap plastic boards. Whether you're slicing meat, veggies, or seafood, Tivano handles it all, safely and cleanly, so yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having amazing results with Tivano, and you can have results as well, but just keep in mind, every kitchen and cooking style is different. That's why Tivano comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it for any reason, even if you've already used it, they'll refund you, no questions asked. Also, for Tivano to truly make a difference, you need to make it part of your daily kitchen routine. Switch out those old, unsafe boards and use this consistently. That's where you'll really notice the difference. And remember, Tivano is lightweight, scratch-resistant, and made to last a lifetime. It's trusted by professional chefs and home cooks alike. So, I just wanted to record this video to give you a heads up and help you avoid wasting your money on cutting boards that don't deliver. If you do decide to order Tivano, just make sure you use the official website. I left the link right below this video in the description or in the first pinned comment. And if you try it out, follow the care instructions and use it daily to really see the benefits. I hope this helps you make an informed decision, and if you give Tivano a try, I hope it makes your kitchen cleaner, safer, and easier to manage, just like it did for so many others. Take care.